When you first open the InventMagic Pro software, this is the screen that you will see. This is called the Home page. At any time you can return to the Home page by clicking the Home button at the top of your screen. The Home page is one central area that provides you easy access to all other areas of the software. You can see here you have your prospective clients and the number, and all of the events listed below the prospective client events. From here you can easily add a new prospect, add a new event, or you can delete an existing one by first selecting it and clicking delete. Below here you have your active events. There are 3 currently, and below that you have the reminders, tasks, and payments. On the right hand side you have the link to your professional preferred vendor list, your checklist, the setup screens where you can customize the program, the utilities screen, and the tutorials. There will always be buttons at the top of your screen, and these may change depending on what screen you're on in the software. You can always hold your cursor over the button and it'll tell you what the particular button is used for on that screen. If you see an arrow to the right of the button, you can click that and that will give you different options. For example, this is the print button. When I click the arrow, it tells me what are the things that I can print using this print button. Same goes for the help button. If I click the arrow, it shows me what help options I have available. The help file, the tutorials, the Frogware website, and the about information. This is where you can find out what version you're currently using of the software. If there are updates available, you'll also see a link here for Get Updates or Check for Updates. This will check our website to see if you and compare your version of the software versus the latest version of the software to see if you're using the latest version, and it'll provide you a link to get that update. There's also a button to take you to Room Magic Pro. This will close down InventMagic Pro and open up the room layout software. We also have the Pro View, which is a tree structure view, another way of looking at the same home page information, provides links to all the other areas of the software, but in a tree structure versus this home page view. So you can toggle back and forth between the 2 views depending on your preference. Within this list here, you can see your list of events. You can resort any of these lists by clicking on the column header. So right now this is listed by end date. I can resort it so that I now have it in alphabetical order. I can resort it by event type, end date, or any other means by clicking on the column header. Next to each event you'll see a summary link and a folder link. The summary link takes you to the client contact information and overall summary of the event. The folder link opens up this specific event folder. The same is true for your active events down here below. You can resort the list by any of these column headers. You can access the contact summary screen, the folder, and now you also have an invoices link. So as you add invoices or would like to add invoices for any of these events, you may do so using the link right here.